In this video, we'll have a quick overview of Streak CRM. If you ever tried working with a traditional CRM, you know the challenge. You constantly have to switch back and forth between your inbox and your CRM dashboard. That usually means opening multiple tabs, copying and pasting email details, and wasting time just trying to keep everything in sync. But what if you could manage your entire sales process, customer interactions, and follow ups directly from your Gmail inbox? That's exactly what Streak CRM offers. Streak is a Gmail based CRM that eliminates the friction of juggling multiple platforms. Instead of treating email and CRM as separate worlds, it blends them together. By installing Streak, you can manage pipelines, track deals, share information with teammates, and even automate communication, all without ever leaving Gmail. In this video, we'll cover the key features and benefits that make Streak CRM such a powerful yet simple solution in 2025, why it's a great choice for individuals and teams, and finally wrap up with a clear conclusion on how you can start using it to transform your workflow. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the CRM built directly into Gmail. Streak isn't a separate platform. It's fully embedded inside Gmail. Once you install the Chrome extension, you'll notice new options directly within your inbox that let you create pipelines, manage deals, and view customer details alongside your emails. There's no need to constantly jump between applications. This seamless experience means you save valuable time and reduce distractions. Since most business communication happens over email, having your CRM inside Gmail feels natural. It streamlines your workflow so that every client conversation is automatically connected to your sales process. Another key feature is the customizable pipelines for any workflow. A standout feature of Streak is its flexibility. Pipelines in Streak are completely customizable. You can set them up for sales opportunities, job applications, customer support tickets, project management, or even influencer outreach. Each pipeline can have custom stages and fields, such as deal size, next action, or expected close date, so that it adapts perfectly to your process. Instead of forcing you into a one size fits all CRM structure, Streak lets you build pipelines that reflect exactly how your business works. That means no clutter, no unnecessary fields, and full control over how you organize information. Another key feature is the email tracking and automation. Email is the backbone of client communication, and Streak enhances it with powerful tracking and automation. You can see exactly when your emails are opened, schedule emails to be sent at the right time, and use pre-built templates for recurring messages. For example, if you frequently send introductory proposals or follow-up reminders, you can automate those with just a click. This gives you insight into customer behavior and saves you hours of repetitive work. You'll know if your emails are being read, which helps you follow up strategically. Plus, automation ensures consistent communication, which leads to higher response rates and stronger client relationships. Another key feature is the collaboration and shared pipelines. Streak isn't just for solo users, it's designed for team collaboration as well. You can share pipelines with colleagues, assign specific deals or tasks, and leave comments or notes for context. This way, everyone has visibility into what's happening with each client or deal without needing to forward endless email threads. This eliminates miscommunication and keeps your entire team aligned. Whether you're in sales, recruitment, or project management, collaboration becomes effortless because everyone can access the same client history, emails, and updates in real time. Another key feature is the seamless integrations and mobile access. While Streak is built inside Gmail, it doesn't stop there. It integrates with other Google Workspace apps like Sheets and Drive, making it easy to pull in data or export reports. On top of that, the Streak mobile app for iOS and Android means you can manage pipelines, update client details, and send tracked emails while on the move. This flexibility ensures that you're always connected and productive, whether you're at your desk, in a meeting, or traveling. You don't lose momentum just because you're away from your computer. So, why is Streak a great choice? What really sets Streak apart from traditional CRMs is its balance of simplicity and functionality. Many CRMs pack in endless features that feel overwhelming and require weeks of setup before you see results. Streak takes the opposite approach. Since it lives inside Gmail, the learning curve is practically zero. It's especially powerful for freelancers, consultants, real estate agents, sales professionals, and small teams who rely heavily on email as their main channel of communication. The free plan already covers most of what individuals need, while the paid plans add features like advanced reporting, more automation, and pipelines, making it scalable as your business grows. So basically, in 2025, Streak CRM remains one of the easiest and most practical CRMs for professionals and small teams. By embedding directly into Gmail, it eliminates the friction of switching platforms and gives you everything you need. So if you've struggled with CRMs that feel too bulky or disconnected from your daily workflow, Streak offers a refreshing alternative. So whether you're managing sales deals, tracking projects, or collaborating with a small team, Streak CRM is a tool that can help you stay organized, boost efficiency, and improve customer relationships. So that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.